Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, an EP3 that's in today for an ECU exchange and map. It's a nice looking motor. It's got some modifications on it that we'll go through towards the end. But yeah, stick it on the dyno, give it an initial pull, see where she's at, do an ECU exchange and start tuning it. I'm sure there'll be some flames coming out the back of this one, but I've not asked the customer yet, so I'm going to go and find out now. Well, the answer to do you want flames was a resounding yes from him and all of his friends. So it is getting some asmo. You guys know I love it. So here we go. Hey, just thought I'd take this second to talk about our sponsor, the sponsor of this video, World of Lubricants. Engine oil, absolutely necessary, especially in a Honda. So if you need some engine oil, go over to worldoflubricant.co.uk and use the code DYNO to save a load of money. They've got additives in there, they've got injector cleaners, but more importantly, they've got 5W40 fully synthetic oil. So go and get some. Well, there we have it. Another one in the bag, Richard.
It is indeed.
Black EP3.
Yeah, real basic mods on this car, aren't there? It's got a Tegiwa leaf eater. You know we love those. It's got a 4-to-1 Decat manifold on there, and it has a HKS high power exhaust. I did talk to this lad, I think, on the internet and say that wouldn't be my first choice. It's only 2¼ inch and not going to be the best for power, because well, I've sort of already bought it now. So sort of it is what it is.
It is what it is, but she's made 220 brake horsepower. Final result, made an extra 43 brake horsepower in the mid-range there.
Yeah, mid-range is where it's going to make the biggest difference to him, ain't it? But obviously it's back to the same again. We all know that we you could get another, say, 10 brake at that top end, you know, with a better exhaust and things like that. So it's one of them, innit?
Yeah,
obviously I'm sure he may take it away and mod further, but
each car on its own merit. You've done your job there, Richard. You made some power and it sounds incredible. You know I like the flames. Yeah. So yeah, do you want to look at the graph?
Yeah, so we'll look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph. So the results are in. Red line has actually came in, blue line is actually leaves, ladies and gentlemen, and we're finishing on 210 brake horsepower, 194 at the wheels. That's that section there in the mid-range where we're up by about 43 brake horsepower. Happy days. Yeah, another one done. If you've got an EP3 and you want some help, then give us a shout. Be old school, pick up the phone, or you can obviously message us on Facebook, but not 3 in the morning. But Instagram, TikTok, all of it, just come and find us and give us a shout. We're happy to help. We've got all the parts in stock that you're probably going to need on an EP3, and we fit them all here in the workshop in Nuneaton. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we will see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.